In recent years, a formidable competitor appears in Islamic religious circles. As East Asian country, which Islamic State always felt as a colleague, edges out Muslim country with a technologically wide gap to the extent to come into rank with the West. Islamic country became economically humiliated. Islamic country is on the verge of guard tightening for East Asian religions such as Confucianism and Buddhism, which have not ever attracted Muslims' notice before. In the West, it has been long since East Asian religion spread. The number of the Western people who prefer immanent religions like Confucianism and Buddhism to transcendent religions like Christianity and Islam is on the increase today. The population of Buddhists in France has already passed over 4 million, and the eminent French philosopher François Julian said the only exit of Western philosophy is in dialogue between Western philosophy and East Asian philosophy, like Confucianism and Buddhism. Muslims feel humiliated by East Asian blitz, economic expansion. Muslims come to envy East Asian economic success because the countries in East Asia were the ex-colonies like Muslims' countries. Muslims came to compete with two rivals, the Western and the East Asian, and came to be put in a position fighting with no supporter internationally. Jasmine revolutions. The recent popular uprisings in the Arab can be understood in relation with the economic success of East Asia, but there is no country in the world who wants Muslims humiliated. Muslims regards their problem, their authentic ones, even though East Asia already experienced and solved the problem. East Asians thinks that the reason that East Asia looks composed far better than Muslims countries is the conflict of religion between Islam and Christianity. In the ancient times, East Asia could solve the conflict of 3 East Asian religion: Confucianism, Buddhism, Taoism, and even in the modern times, East Asia could solve the conflict of Eastern religions and Christianity. This report aims to help Muslims overcome the present problem by introducing religion circulation theory by East Asianu religion, Dasun Jinri, based on I Ching, Yin Yang, and Wuxing theory. It is the task set to this report for Muslims to find a religious way to overtake the West and East Asia. Muslims can build better relationship with East Asian than with the West, due to the history. However, there is few transaction between Islam and East Asian religion, because Islam do not share much with Eastern immanent religion. The study that immanent religion and transcendental religion are auxiliary to each other, Islam and East Asian transaction increased. Spain can be a successful example to show what cooperation of Islam and Christianity results. Spain's contribution to the world by geographical discoveries came from cooperation of Islam and Christianity, especially Islam's generosity. Today Christianity became too complicated and developed to be changed by only generosity. Islam needed new culture like East Asia to be well with Christianity.